I'd like to bring you a topper review. This particular one though is called the Upgrade Courtney. Real human hair. It is described as a low density piece, which is 110% density. The color is soft, dusty ash brown. I've tried the dusty ash brown, and basically the highlights are starker and paler and more platinum. I found toppers to be a really good solution for the amount of hair that I've got, but just check out the back. You can see that actually the hair loss is extensive. It pretty much goes all the way around my head really. So a smaller topper base wouldn't really agree with my needs because I don't want the hairs of the topper to separate at the back, i.e. that there wouldn't be enough hairs at the back to give me the coverage that I want. Now you can see the mono top there, very smooth. The lace fronts of these pieces are fantastic. And even though it is a medium brown, really you can't notice the knots very much. But basically, what this video is going to focus on is to glue or not to glue. That is the question. That is the question of the day. First step was to tidy up the lace front. I have made the line a little bit more straight, but you don't need to sweat it. I've cut off the extra lace on both sides. So my parting is here, and I'm going to place this lace tape away from that parting so that the majority of the hair would be covering. Now I'll take the backing off these and we'll put this topper on together. As I move my head with just these 4 clips, I actually feel pretty secure. And I just want to say that there is no pulling. I can't feel any pulling with this piece. Now look at this. And one of the things that I love most is to be able to do this wearing a topper. But let's look at our not to glue options. Let's see what we've got to work with. The halo wire in all her glory. It's pretty robust. Quite stretchy, but I'm not going to pull too much on it. You place it on your head where you want it to be, and you get hold of your hair there at the back. So there. And you flip it up exactly as we did before, and you position the lace front where you want it to go, a little bit farther forward than you would expect. I can feel that it's snug, and use your clips just as before. Once your clips are in place, you will notice that you haven't needed any tape to pull that lace front in. Look at this. I have had a lady tickle me at the back of my head searchingly because she suspected that I may be wearing a hairpiece. She was wearing one. I spotted it straight away. But when she didn't find a wig cap of any kind, she backed off. And that's exactly what I want for you. Let's get a little bit more volume in this piece. Now I have curled the top parts of this topper to give it a little bit more body and movement. There's something really happy and optimistic and joyful about blonde tresses with a little bit of bounce and a little bit of curl. Very easy to tuck, very secure, no lace tape needed. Natural movement, natural wear. Let me show you the back.